Hey, there.
So the first thing I do is I take off my glasses because you can't wash your face with your glasses on. I'm pretty sure that's obvious, but it's okay. Then I take my Conair spin brush and I just wash my face with it, because I'm pretty sure that's what you're supposed to do. And I take some aloe vera and some acne wash from Neutrogena. So then I use the oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena and the Ocean Prime aloe vera gel. I use about one swipe of that and about 2 pumps of the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. Then I just start to wash my face. And then I just rinse off my face. So after I finish rinsing off my face, I just grab a towel and I pat my face dry. And that's a really good habit. Instead of wiping your face, you pat your face. So then I just take my Essentials Deep Cleaning Toner for sensitive skin by Clean and Clear. And then I take my basic cotton rounds. Welcome to my ASMR channel.
Oh my god, such concentration!
So I take the basic cotton round, then I take the deep cleaning toner. I put the deep cleaning toner on the basic cotton round, and I just start to wipe that on my face, and it just cleans off that stuff, the dirt. Then I will take my Dual Action Moisturizer by Clean and Clear. Now I'm taking the moisturizer and I'm putting 4 dots on my face in almost a plus formation. And now I'm just rubbing it in. So the first thing that I do is I take my Q-tip and I dip it inside my Mario Badescu drying lotion, and I just put that on my problem spots and like pimples and zits, and it just takes the redness away. And you leave it on overnight, It's a miracle worker.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
So the first thing that I take is the chapstick Total Hydration Honey Blossom, and I put that on my lips to keep them hydrated throughout the night. Then I take the Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss in the flavor Punchy, and I put that on after the Total Hydration to keep the moisture in throughout the night. I wake up in the morning and there is still gloss on and my lips are super moisturized and it feels so good. I definitely recommend this.
I am disgusted.
Oh my god!